How to add Solana network to Metamask wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, and then in the search bar, search for solflare.com. It will land you on the official page of Solflare. Once you are in here, what you want to do is tap on Get Started at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now in here it says you are about to install the Solana Snap, which allows you to manage Solana tokens and then connect to Solana apps. You need to tap on Continue. Once again tap on Continue. It will ask you if you are ready to explore Solana. Tap on Connect Metamask. This interface will pop up on your screen. In this section, you have to enter the password of your Metamask wallet. And then click on Unlock. Now click on Got It. Tap on Accept. And then click on Connect. For the installation request, tap on Install. Click on this checkbox and tap on Confirm. Well, the installation has been completed. Tap on OK. Tap on Next. And then you have to click on Enter Solana. And this is how you will be able to use Solana on Metamask. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add Solana to Metamask wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.